Have you ever wondered what happens when you pour salt into a cabbage? The N remedy not only helps you balance the gut flora, this is our first line of defense against toxins and harmful bacteria, but also acts as a colon cleanser and balances our immune system. This probiotic you can make at home helps reduce gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and symptoms linked to Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Some recent studies even show that this remedy helps people lose weight. Maybe this is the reason why I'm still in good shape while I'm eating almost everything I want. So click on the link below and discover this simple remedy that you can take whenever you want, and also discover over 800 plants and remedies.